but that was for fact too cold, because it was 0 outside and 0 inside the tent. And I had the heating on for 2 hours, but the temp didn't getting any higher, so it stayed around 0. And then I found it better to protect my health, do this job here in the kitchen. But that's because it's a stiff northeast wind outside. Hello guys, and good afternoon. Today I'm taking for me to mount the bearings going in there. So then I can and I'm starting up to do some crazy work but that's the way. Nice black painting, and it was the way. Simmering. Very careful. Very careful. Okay, it's coming out here. I used to put it outside to take it on a block. Hello again and good morning. Today Sunday, I'm starting up again with preparing wheel bearing house number 2. I'll prepare it for install the bearing. First now proceed with putting some grease preparing with the new bearings from HCS. This is the upper bearing coming in here, and this is the big bearing that comes beneath. So now I'm preparing the axle step with some grease, so that is easier to that's done. but I do also the inside from the bushing was coming in here. This one from the upper bearing, and grease them quite well. Putting some more grease on the top. So that I'm sure it's sufficient. Because I need some power, I have to get my tools again. So I showed you yesterday to put it in. A little more. Okay, the bearing is in. So now I proceed, I go in my kitchen again and doing the rest and grease it the inside and go out again. And yeah, that's okay. Now I can put this one in. So let me continue with hammering in the bearing. So now I'm putting in the new snap ring. I could use the old one, well, it's quite as good, but I prefer to take the new ones and secure it with my hand. So, and get it down. That's done. Now I have to put on the new ceilings. That's done. Yeah. And get it right in. Just the same. Okay, it's done. Now I'll put in the extra step. Hopefully going it. seems to be okay. I try to put it in from the upside. There it's going. So okay, the axle step is in. Hey guys, after I told you the boat wheel bearing houses are done, complete, done with new bearings, new seals, and so on and so on. So I'm done with that, and now I'm doing the axle manchets on the on the axle, where for this the clamps. So I have to put on my glasses. I'm using a lid, just a small drop of soap, and then it's a lot more easier to put it on. Then it's there where I would have it. This is correct distance, so I can use my Perma quick tool to put the Perma quick on. Oh, and this one here. So that's done. This is very okay. Now I can continue with greasing up the original CV joints from K and C parts from Lobro. It's taken a little time. I close the So all the washers or all the bushings are out. Let's see, they're quite. So, show you. It looks okay. Both sides. Hey guys, after some time with doing put back the security washer and heating up the nut here. So for losing this, so I can take the inner tie rod off. So, as you see, it's out, and now I will also try to do the other side. So, as you look, it looks very okay and very nice. Also inside, and the inner tie rods I have to check out more. See here. And the joint here, the outer tie rod. I think maybe I'm buying new inner tie rods and ordered it from Brickwork in England. So that's it for now. See you later, guys.